Hello guys, this is me, Michael Pastor minus Y5W. So guys, I saw the blood moon at midnight at 3 p.m. Joey, Riley, and me are saw the blood moon at midnight. They saw the blood moon too. But I'm gonna copy Joey that he is doing it like that. I'm gonna copy him. It's like that, guys. Oh jeez. What the heck? What? Holy shit.
Mapasok ka ha.
So this is my teddy bear, guys.
Lansya ha.
My Atasha's teddy bear, and this is not teddy bear. And Afisha's teddy bear. So and Kissen's say teddy bear is here, and so is here.
Naka-open.
Nah, don't see that.
Konti lang open na. Hintay lang ha.
So guys, I will show you something. Like this is my watch, and when I click it, it is gonna bro. It is gonna, what is it again? It is gonna light. Look, lightning. Oh my gosh, that is a lightning thing about my watch. Yo, and this is insane watch. Bro, why? What is that? A watch. Oh my gosh, I
Aki.
broke it. My turn.
Huwag labas sa Aki.
Bro! Oh shit. Sumbok
Aki
kita
ha.
ka na.
Gano ka na naman ng ano?
So guys, this is mine.
Ay naku. Wala na. Sira na.
Guys,
Wala. Di na ito ilaw. Wala na.